HubSpot's free CRM is a robust tool that helps you organize, manage, and nurture your customer relationships. Here's a concise guide on using HubSpot free CRM. Access CRM. Once logged in, navigate to the CRM section in your HubSpot dashboard. Import contacts. Import your existing contacts or sync them from other platforms. HubSpot will organize them into a central database. Deal tracking. Create deals to track sales opportunities through different stages, from prospecting to closing. Company records. Store information about the companies you interact with, associating them with relevant contacts and deals. Contact records. Manage individual contacts, adding details like name, email, phone, and more. Communication history. Log emails, calls, meetings, and notes within each contact's record to maintain a history of interactions. Task management. Create tasks to stay on top of follow-ups, meetings, and other important actions. Email tracking. Enable email tracking to receive notifications when your emails are opened or clicked. Templates and documents. Utilize email templates and store important documents directly within the CRM. Integrations. Connect your email, calendar, and other tools to sync data and streamline workflows. Pipeline management. Customize your sales pipeline stages to align with your business process. Reporting. Access basic reports and analytics to understand your sales performance and make informed decisions. Automation. Use workflows to automate tasks and communication, ensuring efficient lead nurturing. HubSpot Academy. Access free training resources in HubSpot Academy to learn how to make the most of the CRM.